The trick to making a great grass catcher is twofold. Make sure it's easy to remove and install, while also being certain that it will stay on over bumpy, hilly terrain. The grass catchers on the 2700 and 2750 Triplex pass the test with flying colors. The secret is an innovative hook design. To remove the grass catcher, the operator simply pushes the grass catcher toward the operator station and then lifts upward. Pushing in overcomes the notch in the hook and allows the catcher to be removed. During transport, the notch in the hook helps secure the catcher in rough terrain. Speaking of colors, the Triplex grass catchers come in either translucent yellow or traditional black. With the yellow, operators can easily see the clippings in the catcher so they can empty as needed. And the catchers are easier to see in the early morning and late evening for pass-to-pass overlap and perimeter cuts. And all catchers feature an asymmetrical design, meaning that the left-hand side of the catcher is slightly larger than the right side. This innovative design evens out the flow of clippings side to side, minimizing step cutting or scalping as the catcher fills up with clippings. And a deep airflow vent is molded into the top of the catcher to help make sure that the clippings stay in the catcher.